Hello and welcome back to MarineMax Cumming, Georgia. My name is Quinn Seagraves and today we're going to be walking through a Crest Caribbean 230 LX. This is going to be a very luxurious boat with fiberglass seat bases, in a center tune ski locker, movable cup holders, built-in cup holders with USB chargers, and many more amenities. So we walk backwards on this boat. You will notice that we have a movable middle section. This is going to be a built-in cooler with some goodies inside. If you want to put this in the front, you can, or if you want to put it in the back and make it your center table, that is an option as well. We've upgraded to the dual captain's chairs with flip-up bolsters on this model. The power tower, 7-inch Simrad, and a 350 horsepower supercharged Verado by Mercury. The helm on this is going to be nice and sleek, very low profile, so you have great visibility over the bow of the boat. And back here in the back, we have the very luxurious rear recliner option. So you will have a recliner on both sides, dual battery system, and built-in storage up underneath. So this model will have plenty of seating and plenty of relaxation. This is that supercharged Mercury Verado that I talked about with tow bar and built-in ladder. If you have any questions about this Crest or any others that you've seen in this video series, please give us a call. The link is down below.